Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the language of any YouTube video. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So for example, this video from Mr. Beast, it's currently in English, so let me show you guys that
I just bought this entire grocery store, which includes enough food.
As you guys can hear, it is clearly in English with his original voice. However, YouTube just rolled out a new feature where you can literally just change the audio track to whatever you want. So when I click on the gear icon in the top right corner of that video, and then I click on audio track, I can literally change it to whatever language is available. For example, I want to change it to French, and if I now play the video, it will be in French.
Nourriture pour pouvoir subvenir aux besoins d'une ville tout entière.
And as you guys can see, now the video will be played in French, the entire audio will be played, which is extremely cool. So yeah, that's how you can change your video language of any YouTube video. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.